Good day, my wonderful viewers. Welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Let's find the derivative of y is equals to x squared all over 4 minus x squared, square root of 4 minus x squared. So this is differentiation, and if you want to know this thing you are going to use, formula you're going to use, you are going to use what? Quotient rule, because it's what? Division. Now we are going to have that quotient rule is the over the x of f of x all over g of x is equals to g of x, then f prime of what? X minus f of x, then g prime of what? X all over g of what? X square. So applying it here, we are going to have the y all over the x is equals to x all over square root of 4 minus x squared. Our f of x is now x squared, then g of x is now this one. So we are going to have square root of 4 minus x squared. We are following this pattern now. Now times differentiated x squared. Differentiated f of x is finding derivative of x squared, which is what? 2x. Now minus f of x, which is what? X squared. Then times g of x. Our g of x is what? Remember, differentiated g of x, but I want to put this g of x in this form. Raised to the power of what? 1 over 2 before differentiating it. Now, g of x is what? 4 minus x squared raised to the power of 1 over 2 in bracket squared. Now, why I did this? Because in indices, fractional or 1, if you have something like square root of a, it's still the same thing as what? A1 over A1 over what? 2. So they are still the same thing. So that's why I use it. So we are going to have the y all over the x is equals to x squared all over square root of what? 4 minus x squared is equals to, okay, let's even forget about writing this. So we are going to have equals to square root of what? 4 minus x squared, then times 2x, then times minus x squared. Then finding derivative of this, there is one formula in differentiation, power rule and what? Product rule. If you have the all over the x of what? F of x, then raised to the power of what? N. Power rule combined with what? For chain rule. You are going to have n f of what? X, then n minus 1 times differentiated f of what? X. We are going to apply it here, this place. This rule is very important in solving chain rule. So if you don't stress yourself saying the y all over the x is equals to the y over the u times the u over the x, you now start to be saying let u equals to 4 minus x squared, then the u over the x, you differentiate. That's a waste of time. With this formula, you can do it fast as reliable, fast and reliable. Now, so differentiating this will now be 1 all over 2. Then you keep this one constant, following the rule here. Then differentiate this 1 over 2 minus 1 now. So it will now be minus what? 1 over 2. Then times differentiated this thing. Differentiating 4 is what? 0. Differentiating minus x squared is what? Minus 2x. So minus what? 2x. So let me clean this. So we are going to have all over. Now this can cancel out. We have 4 minus x squared. Now the y all over the x will now be square root of 4 minus x squared times 2x. Now we multiply everything. This one can cancel out this one, leaving us with what? Minus what? X times this will now be plus x what? Cube. Now times, I can do this thing using negative indices. If you have a raised by minus 1 over 2 is what? 1 all over square root of what? A. So I'm going to use it here. Indices, negative indices. So it's going to be 1 all over square root of 4 minus x squared all over 4 minus x squared. Now I can decide to multiply through by square root of 4 minus x squared so that to clear these square roots, both the numerator and denominator, by square root of 4 minus what? X squared. When I multiply, remember in SOD, if you have SOD 2 times SOD 2 is what? 4. Is what? SOD what? 4, which is what? 2. So you say SOD 2 times SOD 2 is what? 2. So we are going to use the same thing here. So this thing times this, we are multiplying the numerator and what? Denominator. This times this will give us the y all over the x. This times this will give us 4 minus x squared, then times what? 2x. Now, plus this, we cancel out this. Now, we are going to have what? Plus x what? Cube all over. This times this. Remember, in indices, addition rule, if you have a raised power n times a raised power m, because the base are the same, it will be a n plus what? M. We are going to use it here because the base are the same. We have 4 minus x squared raised to the power of what? 1 times 4 minus x squared raised to the power of what? 1 all over 2. You understand? Because the base are the same. Let's continue from here. We're going to have dy all over the x of, we can just open this thing. 2x times 4 will give us 8x. 2x times this will give us what? Minus 2x cube plus x what? Cube all over. Now, because the base are the same, you pick one. 4 minus x squared. Now you add their power. Let's find the LCM of 1 over 1 plus. Should definitely 3 over 2. 2 times 1, 2. This times this. So 3 over what? 2. So we are going to have 3 over what? 2. So the y all over the x is equals to 8x. 8x. Then this and this will give us what? Minus x to the power of 3 all over 4 minus x squared raised to the power of what? 3 all over 2. You understand? This is our what? Answer. You can still say, or the y all over the x is equals to 8x minus x3 all over square root of what? 4 minus x squared to the power of what? 3. Both of them are still your what? Answer. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.